Christmas gifts with all the trimmings from Real Deals for You.
Multi-tools are mass market now as more and more tradesmen, homeowners and DIYers are using these tools for a variety of applications. So they're using the tools, so the amount of blades is exploding and you need a good set of blades to get you out of trouble to use with your multi-tool. And this is an absolutely stunning deal from Faithfull. It's a cracking set. It's a 7-piece set of multi-tools to cover all of the most common applications. So here's the set. Let's open it up and we'll go through the different blades in turn. On the back it tells you about each blade and what the application is, just in case you're not sure. Okay, so get that out of the way first. We have got bi-material 22mm in wood. So what you can do is you can cut non-ferrous metals with that. It's also, all of the blades have got the latest shank. Okay, that's important. A lot of the new machines now have quick release mechanisms where you just pull a trigger, slide the blade in, you can put it at different angles, and of course with all the little notches there you can do that with these blades as well. So for the quick release machines, these are ideal. These Faithfull blades will fit virtually all of the leading brands, virtually all of the multi-tools that are out there. If you've got a multi-tool or you've got some blades that have got the old style where this back bit is enclosed, it's not a problem, these will fit as well. So these are useful for virtually any multi-tool on the market. So we've got the bi-material blade there, very useful for plunge cutting. I'll put that one just down there. We've got 2 of those because they are so popular, so that's 2 in the set. This is a nice one. You've got a carbide grit segment blade there, okay? Now that is ideal for raking out grout or bits of mortar, those type of masonry applications. Makes very short work of that. The way to use that, I mean, it's oscillating and you can just use it in a rocking motion. Very efficient, very quick, much quicker than trying to do it with an old screwdriver or anything else like that. Really useful little blade, that, and a popular choice. So we'll put that one there. Okay, now we've got a couple of the flush cut saw blades. These are for wood, 34mm. There's 2 of these. Again, really popular blade. That's why there's 2 of them. Okay, just look at the teeth on these. This is what they term as a Japanese style toothing on these blades here. They're ground, they're set properly to give you a really nice, clean, fast cut. So 2 of those, you've got 2 of each. You're doubled up on the most popular blades, which is a really good feature of this set. If you're a tradesman, you don't want to be able to use 2 or 3 blades and then the rest you don't use. These are all the popular ones. What we've also got, if you're doing things like working in plasterboards or wood and you've got slightly bigger applications, you've got to cut out for a patris box or junction box, something like that. You've got a 68mm wide one there. So when you're doing your oscillations, you can get a faster cut because you're cutting a wider section of the wood. That one's for wood. Again, that's a popular choice. And then, surprised to see this one in here. These are usually a very, very expensive blade. Okay, this one's for wood and non-ferrous metals as well. This is what they call a segment blade, obviously because it's in a segment. This is really popular for floor layers. So if you're laying a laminate floor or a wooden floor, when you come up to things like the architraves, this is a really good one just to cut off flush. Your floor lays underneath it. It's a nice clean finish on that. That is a super blade, and also the floor layers use that for going along the skirting boards as well. Gives you a nice clean finish, really super blade. You can also use that for going through floorboards for access. So there you have it, the Faithfull 7-piece multi-tool blade set. Everything you should need to get you out of trouble and everything you need to accompany your multi-tool. Visit realdealsforyou.com to find your nearest stockist.